How to make money with automated webinars even while you sleep. What if I told you you could make money while you sleep? No, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's exactly what automated webinars allow you to do. Imagine setting up a system once and having it generate leads and sales on autopilot. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build an automated webinar that works for you 24/7, even while you're not online. What is an automated webinar? Well, I've mentioned it before in many videos, but an automated webinar is a pre-recorded presentation that runs as if it's live, allowing you to scale your business without constantly being in front of a camera. Some benefits are that they can save you time. You don't need to show up live every time. They also work 24/7, reaching audiences in different time zones. They can convert cold leads into paying customers on autopilot. So one of the most important things when doing a webinar, whether you're doing live or automated, is picking the right webinar topic, all right? One that solves a big problem for your audience. You want to solve a pressing problem. You want it to align also with your product or service. And it's something people are actively searching for, and it's a nagging pain that they can't get rid of, and that's what you need to do your topic on. If you sell an online course on digital marketing, a great webinar could be how to get your first 1,000 email subscribers in 30 days. That's a good example. So how do you structure your webinar for maximum sales? Your webinar isn't just an educational session. It's a strategic way to turn viewers into customers. Here's the structure that works the best. The hook. This is in the first 5 minutes. You're going to grab attention with a bold statement or shocking fact. The value. The next 20 or 30 minutes is all about the value. You're going to teach something actionable that builds trust. The offer. The final 10 to 15 minutes introduces your product and service as the solution to their problem, the biggest problem. Now, here's a big mistake that I oftentimes see. Not making a clear call to action. You have to tell them what to do next, whether it's to sign up or book a call or purchase a product. And the power of automating a webinar is you get passive income. Once you've recorded your webinar, it's time to set it up on autopilot. You can use tools like EasyWebinar, which is a tool that I own that does live and automated webinars. There are other tools out there, Webinar Jam, EverWebinar, Demio, but EasyWebinar gives you a holistic approach and does both live and automated webinars, as well as several other types of webinars. When using automation and automated webinars, you have different timings that you can use, such as just-in-time webinars, where it looks like a live webinar is about to start. It starts every 15 minutes. You could do scheduled on-demand replays. You have different cool options for scheduling, such as just-in-time webinars, where it actually looks like a live webinar is about to start in the next, say, 15 minutes. You could do scheduled on-demand replays where you have on-demand access over a period of time. So now let's talk about driving traffic to your webinars. An automated webinar without traffic is like a billboard in the desert. You need the right people watching, right? So here's ways to drive traffic. You have paid ads through Facebook, YouTube, Google ads, organic content, YouTube, blog posts, social media, email marketing, send invites to your list. Partnerships and collaborations, using all of these things can help you drive traffic into your webinars. Here's a quick tip. Retargeting ads work wonders. If someone's visiting your webpage but doesn't register, show them a follow-up ad. All right, now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you're facing when it comes to getting leads and sales online? Do you need to run a webinar? How about an automated webinar? Drop a comment below and I'll personally respond. And if you want a deeper dive, check out my free training on how to build a high converting webinar funnel, and the link is found in the description. I'll see you on the inside.